has some sense knocked into him.
Oh yeah, this next clip, this guy's trying to steal some food off the back of a truck, and let's just say he doesn't exactly make a clean getaway. So here we got the food, it's being unloaded out of the back of the truck into what appears to be a restaurant. And as the boxes are going, we have this knucklehead, and he's going and he's running, and
You do comedy.
I do comedy. And you know, I can say, I know comedians have their good days and their bad. Sometimes the crowd just isn't into it, but I have never seen a crowd this hostile. Not that bad. They're not good. They're not bad. Let's do it. Let's do it again. Oh my God. That's mean. That's so mean.
There we go. Okay, that's the Chateau C970 disc lock. It's a 4-pinner, and it actually feels like there might be a mushroom pin or two in there. It does drop into somewhat of a false, but I'd have to guess. Also, the bitting is highly erratic. The second to the deepest cut is a very low cut, and the pin behind it, the deepest, the 4th pin, is a very high cut, and getting in past that 4th pin without dropping all your set pins is quite difficult, even though it's only a 4-pin lock. So go ahead and rate the vid if you enjoyed it. Peace as always, and have fun.